Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Umkhosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkhosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about indoda enesithembu but not uMusamseleku but uSomkhay Gumbi, guys. uSomkhay Gumbi has took umfazi wife number 3, and guys isithembu sakhe, there are different huge difference between isithembu sakhe nesamuSamseleku, guys. Isithembu sakaSomkhanga, it seems like abalwi kangako, even mhlambe that's why a lot of people they feel as if by actor nje it's not a reality show. We've seen a reality show be on SABC 1 season 1 and season 2. I mean, I really didn't enjoy the reality show. Maybe it's because we were looking for a drama, but there was not a drama. The only time the reality show trended it was last year when udota wakhe, his firstborn, got married to this guy, and umshado wakhona uSomkhay was not happy because bekafuna ukuthi umntana wakhe esikolweni, but no, umntana wakhe decided to get married, and there are allegations that husband, which is umkhwenyana wakhe, bekana unabantwana uke washada before. So there were a lot of allegations emshadweni kagirl, but ke baba khona was not very happy, even though umntana beka happy, and umntana later revealed that she is expecting a bundle of joy. But ke baba ke decided to take wife number 3. I didn't see wife number 2 emshadweni wabo, but I did see wife number 1. One thing about umfazi wakhe wokuqala, she is very supportive, and engathi she understand indaba yesithembu. Yabona mfazi lo uphansi. I think if uMusamseleku ngabe uye wathatha unkosikazi wokuqala ufana nalo bekuzoba nokuthula, because umfazi kaSomkhay wokuqala down to earth, and engathi uya-understand futhi uyamhlonipha umyeni wakhe. I'm not saying amakhosikazi kaMusamseleku awamhlonipha uMusamseleku, but they are very opinionated, and yonke into abafuna ukuyikhuluma bayayikhuluma. You know, ma ushadile fana noma umntwana, there are things that ubona yathi abona le ngabe ngiyayisho, but no, I'm not supposed to kuyisho. Not emshadweni isithembu nje. If you are married or you are in a relationship, khona ezinye izinto ofila yathi abona le ngabe ngiyayikhahlela manje, but ubona ukuthi izofika komunye umuntu ihlala ingabi right, then i-respect yinto ehamba phambili nje emshadweni. Iyo into enkulu, which I feel as if amakhosikazi kaMusamseleku this season they are showing us, or they are teaching us not to respect amadoda. Or I don't want to feel like or sound as if ngikhulumela uMusa, but mina ngifila as if amakhosikazi kaMusa this season yonke into uMusa ayishoyo bayayiphikisa, into encane enkulu bayayiphikisa, but yiyo ke umehluko phakathi kwaSithembu sakaSomkhay nesamuSamseleku. I just wanted to say congratulations to uSomkhay, and it seems like we will be getting to know about umfazi lo wesi-3 on season 3 of bayibiza Somkhanga, yes, the Gumbis. So I think sizobona ngabo kakhulu on the season 3, which I'm looking forward to it. I think the season 3 is over more vavavum. We'll get to know why number 2 angavelanga, ngoba abanye abantu they are saying number 2 she's not happy about umyeni wakhe athatha number 3, which I feel as if it's unfair. Ile nto bengihlala ngisho kuMangwabi ukuthi uMangwabi, it's unfair of uMangwabi ukuthi angafuni ukulanya wayilena wangena khona abantu abangekho happy ngaye, kodwa wachubeka wangena. But bazalwane bami zitho, you can do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.